Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. By default, Chrome uses Google as its search engine, but if you want to switch to Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, or any other search engine, you can easily make that change in the settings. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu, then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, choose Search Engine. Here, you'll see that the default search engine is set to Google. To change it, click Change. Choose a search engine from the list and click Set as default. If the search engine you want isn't listed, you can add it manually. Click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down to the Site Search section and click Add to add a new search engine. For example, let's add the search engine Ecosia. Enter the name, shortcut, and URL of the search engine, then click Add. Next, click on the three-dot icon next to the search engine and select Make Default. In the previous step, when adding a search engine, you entered a field called Shortcut. The shortcut is used to quickly activate that search engine directly from the address bar without visiting its website. At the top of the Search Engine Management page, you'll see the keyboard shortcut setting. You can configure whether the shortcut is activated when you press Space or Tab, or only with Tab. Here's how to use it. Place your cursor in the address bar. Type the shortcut you assigned to the search engine. For example, earlier I assigned the keyword Ecosia to the Ecosia search engine. Now I simply type Ecosia, then press the space key or Tab, enter the keyword I want to search for, and hit Enter. Similarly, you can check the shortcuts for other search engines like Bing or DuckDuckGo, and follow the same process. That's it! Now you can customize Chrome to suit your preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.